Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming network and account basics so we don't chase ghosts. First, toggle airplane mode on and off to reset radios, then reconnect to a reliable Wi-Fi. Next, open settings and verify your Apple ID is signed in. If the App Store still shows connection errors, sign out and sign back in to refresh authentication tokens. Also make sure date and time is set to automatic, and you have the latest iOS. Mismatched time or old software often blocks secure connections. Once done with sign-in checks, focus on network and App Store state because those are the usual culprits. Reset network settings to remove bad DNS or proxy entries. This will forget Wi-Fi passwords, so be prepared. Force quit the App Store and relaunch it. You can also clear its cache by tapping a tab 10 times to force a refresh. If problems persist, switch between Wi-Fi and cellular or try a different hotspot. This isolates whether your home router or ISP is blocking Apple services. To finish, perform deeper system fixes without losing data. Try a force restart of the iPhone XR to clear transient kernel or network stack issues. If that fails, back up to iCloud and restore the device via Finder or iTunes, which removes persistent software corruption. Make sure your backup is recent before restoring. If problems continue, check Apple system status and contact Apple support because sometimes the issue is server-side. A single troubleshooting tip. Try a different Apple ID briefly to see if the problem is account-specific.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.